Hi guys, it's another adventure in the kitchen. Cute kid cooking.
We got this.
We are going to make cinnamon bread today, or at least try.
We actually got this we got.
Yeah.
And then actually we got this.
We tried to get as many of our ingredients and utensils out as possible.
And we actually got these.
Yeah, so I think we'll dive right in. I got this off of a Dash of Sanity's website.
We got it at Magic
Let's see how it goes. Alright, first, we preheated the oven to 350 degrees.
Actually we got this.
Yeah. We're going to start with a third cup of sugar. That is the third cup. Put that over top. You ready? Nope, not put those to the top. That. Dump it in there. Good job. And then we're going to put in a tablespoon of cinnamon. That buddy. Yep, and then stir it. Ready? Good. We want to make sure we get a lot. Okay, go for it. Yummy. Here's a little spoon. Stir that up, please. Alright. Stir it all up, and we'll have cinnamon sugar. Yummy. Alright, now we need 2 cups of flour. You do that, and I'll do this. Okay? Oh, you wanted... Okay. Ooh, nice. Oh, does that smell so good? It does smell. Oh, we're going to do this. It says to set aside. So we're going to just put that over here for now. Okay? All right. Now, can you get one of the cups for me? Okay, we're going to do 2 cups of flour. Actually, I think I'm going to have to dig it out. Can I see that? And then I'll give it to you to dump, okay? I know that's not as fun, is it? I know. All right. Dump it. You dump it? Uh-oh. Dump. Good job. Okay, let's get one more.
Mommy.
Okay. Dump that. Dump it in there. Oh. Good job.
Can you start rolling now?
Let me put some other things in it.
I'm gonna start rolling.
You're gonna just like pre-stir it for us. Okay. We need baking powder. We need 1 tablespoon. Baking powder. Okay, put it over top. Oh. Okay, go ahead. Good job.
You start rolling now?
You know who invented baking powder?
What?
I'm pretty sure. Oh no, now I'm forgetting. Was it Vincent Price's family or was it Michael Nesmith's family? Oh, well, no, never mind. Okay, we need some salt. 3/4 teaspoons of salt. That's a lot of salt.
Mama.
All right. 1. A bit. 2. Ooh, 3.
Can you stir it now?
Yeah, you can keep stirring.
Can I play her now?
Teaspoon of cinnamon and a cup of sugar. Oh boy.
Mommy, can you play with it now?
You can start stirring it, baby girl. I don't know what you mean by play with it, but you can keep stirring.
Can you play with it?
What do you mean play with it?
Because
Oh, this is not one where we're going to have to knead it, actually. You put that in? Nice. And 1 more. the cinnamon. Go ahead. Good job. And more sugar. 1 whole cup. Oh boy. Got a lot of sugar.
Is this one right?
This one. Yeah.
Oh, this right. Is that or that's not that one?
It says a whole cup, Emma. Okay, there you go. Oh, man. Whoa. Ooh, not good enough. Alright, we need to stir.
Stir.
Yeah, stir. I'm glad we got all these mixing bowls out because there's a lot of things going on.
Can you play with it now?
No, it's not wet yet. See?
Is it dry?
We gotta do the wet ingredients. Yeah, it's dry. Oh. Oops.
Okay, look.
Yeah, I got dirty.
Can you look on your hand?
Can you look? Go a little bit floury. Does it smell good? Mmm, yummy.
We got the light.
Alright, next, wet.
Red.
We need 1 egg.
1 egg. Just piece. 1 egg.
Oh wait, these are the new eggs. Oh well. You want that one? Is that your egg of choice? You do not want to come out. What in the world? Hey eggs. Well, that's weird.
Can I hold it? Yeah.
You hold the egg. You gonna show the vlog the egg?
The egg is actually not.
Okay, let's crack it and make it happen. Ready?
The cat.
Doink. Uh-oh. Oh no, there's a piece of shell. Come here.
There's that.
It's being stinky. Doesn't want to come out. Oh. Oh, got it. Alright. Now I gotta wash my hands.
Now just keep sorting.
You stir. Stir like the wind, bullseye. I disinfect.
Can you play with it now?
No, not yet. Alright, we need milk. 1 cup.
Oh, what?
Doesn't say what kind of milk, so we'll do whole milk. Getting heavy, huh? Alright, dump her in there. Good job. And then I'll take that and I'll put it in the sink. It's wet.
Can you play now? Can you play now, Mommy?
Seems good.
Mommy,
Right.
let me play with it.
I don't think this is one that you need. Alright. Oil. You need 1/3 of a cup of canola oil.
Whoa, that's...
Aw, some canola oil. And butter.
Oh, cocoa.
What happened to our 1/3 of a cup? Do you know? There it is. Hold this for me. Are you giving yourself a butter face mask or something there? Alright, dump that in. Well done. Good job.
Now let's...
Where's the butter come in?
I have it.
I know, but where does it come into the recipe? I didn't really read the recipe very good before I started. Vanilla extract. The good stuff. 1 teaspoon. Okay. Ready? It's strong. Put that in. Put that in. Woo. Good job.
Mommy, I want to show me.
Okay, stir it. Stir, stir, stir. Are you losing interest? You've done a good job, babe. You want to go sit on the couch? Okay, bye.
No.
Sit back. What are you doing, silly? Okay.
Can you play
A small mixing bowl. Whisk together. We did all that. Stir by hand in the flour mixture until combined. Well, guess what that means? You're gonna get to use your hands. Wait, no. Put it in here. Okay, ready? Here we go. Emma's gonna stir by hand. All right, stir it all up. Oh, this is gonna be your favorite part. All right, you gotta stir all the wet into the dry and get all the dry wet. Can you do it? I believe in you. I think you're supposed to use your hands.
Oh, that isn't
Pretty exciting. Hey, let me put it closer to you. There you go.
I think it's supposed to do hands.
They're pretty fun. We did wash our hands, I promise.
I'm done.
You're done with being messy? Was it not as fun as you thought it would be?
No.
Okay, we're gonna stop for a minute and wash our hands. Now Emma is buttering our loaf pan. She's getting our hands in the butter, and you can do it all on the sides and then on the bottom, all over. Okay? So it doesn't stick. That's the goal. I get to try? Oh, that's satisfying. You gonna do some more? I dropped the butter.
Mommy.
We need some new. Well, I lost the butter, and then the camera fell on the floor, and Emma lost interest too. So I'm just losing today. So what I'm gonna do is pour half of the mixture into the pan, and then put half of the sugar in it, and swirl it around, and then put the rest of the batter in, and then put the other half of the sugar mixture on, swirl it around, and then we'll put it in the oven. But I know you'd rather watch Emma than me, so I'll let you know when we're back, because I bet she'll want to see it cooking in the oven. It smells so good, guys. I'm feeling pretty good about this right now. We'll see what happens, okay? So, BRB. I misread a little bit. So I'm gonna swirl it now that I've put one layer down, half of the sugar, and then the other layer, and then I'm gonna add the last of everything. So don't really know what all that means, but here we go. Am I doing this wrong? Probably. Okay, let's just say that's right. Okay. And now the satisfying part. Yeah. Get it on there. I want you to be doused in yummy cinnamon sugar. I'm pretty sure I did not eyeball half correctly. I probably should have put more actually inside of this bad boy, but well. Oh man, that is kind of a ton. Am I going to regret how much is on the top? Can you have regrets when it comes to cinnamon sugar? I'm feeling like the answer is no. But it's gonna be all in the bake. Yummy, yummy. Okay, little dude. I'll see you in 45 minutes. Or until you put a toothpick in you and you don't come out battery. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm jumping in for a random aside. I, this weekend, bought an apron for these cooking videos, and then I totally forgot to wear it. So now I'm bummed because a missed opportunity for sweet, sweet, delicious flavor apron. Shout out to all you Psych fans. You know what's up. You know what I'm talking about. Can't believe I did that. I feel stupid now. But it's just a little thing. No big deal. Okay, this has been a random aside with disappointed Sarah. Wah, wah, wah. Well, there she blows. It seems pretty delicious looking. I am a little concerned that there's some sugar kind of just sitting on top of there instead of sticking. I might have done something wrong, but that's okay. It looks yummy. We'll put it in our tummy once it cools off a little, and it'll be delicious. So that's another cute kid cooking kitchen adventure. Emma got a little grouchy. Probably because we started trying to potty train today, and it didn't go well. And I've already given up because I'm a terrible mother. So baking just must have aggravated the situation. So, oh well, that's okay. We have delicious bread now. I think it's probably delicious. We haven't tried it yet, but as always, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoy these videos, it'd be awesome if you would subscribe. That just helps other people find us, and, you know, it makes us feel good about ourselves, which is vain and prideful to say, but true. And please like it with a little thumbs up. Hit that notification bell if you want to know when new videos come out. And we'll see you guys for another adventure this week. Adventure is out there. Explore your world. Get out and see. It can be in your kitchen. It can be out in your city. But find that adventure. This was an adventure and hopefully not a fail. So thank you for your views. And remember, Disney's just a dream away. Though, to be fair, this recipe reminds us more of Dollywood, which is in the distant future for us. Very distant. Well, for some of us. So, okay guys, thank you again for your support and your views and your comments. It really means a lot to us. So, all right, have a great day. We'll see you later.